wanted to create a progression, an evolution from the Thunderbird. The Thunderbird and cruising has been part of Royal Enfield's heritage for a long time now. The Meteor is the next generation, really. It's the next step on from that. So brand new engine, brand new chassis. It's a ground up piece of design.
When you step on it, you are welcomed by a nice view in the front. And I think that's very important.
And when you ride this back to back with the Thunderbird, you just feel it's just moved on another generation.
It's a high torque engine, it's a signature engine sound, a very signature exhaust note.
The new engine has a spread of an extra 1,000 RPM.
In addition to old 350 engine, the high RPM, no vibration, and it's much comfortable to maintain high speed.
You get a really good front end feel from the bike. The way it handles, it feels like a roadster.
Here we wanted to have a rake angle which is optimized both for the long distance riding as well as for the city commute. The new frame, this is a ground up, brand new design, there's nothing carryover.
As far as the chassis itself goes, again, lots of effort to give you a bike that is, responsive and enjoyable to ride, but feels secure, solid.
Mass customization is one of the unique customer-centric program. Through this program, we are going to provide a lot of unique personalized options for the customer to configure their own motorcycle.
This is our Royal Enfield Tripper Pod, and what it does, it displays your turn-by-turn directions in a really simple, intuitive way.
We've done testing all over the world. We've done testing here in the UK, in Spain, and then obviously in India. And the result is a motorcycle that is really great fun to ride and very easy to ride. It's a very compliant motorcycle. You can jump on it and just feel at home straight away.
So you've got that classic look and feel, the sound we've worked so hard to get. Riding it is, you can't really see it on the spec sheet. You've got to try it.
It's really about capturing the essence of what that long distance Royal Enfield cruising is all about, that easy cruising.